Guys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy, the Retro Genie. Gonna open and unbox a Show-Dex 9 pocket binder today. Competitive market. The guys reached out to me at Show-Dex and said, do you mind doing a review, unbox it, take a look at it, and let the community know what you think about our product. We do get people reaching out for us for reviews, but obviously there has to be some sort of element of that that binder or that product that we can truly engage with. In this case, creators, they're created by collectors for the community. So let's get into it. I'm excited, I'm hyped. The first thing obviously you can see is when I've had binders in the past, and I've stocked binders in the past, so the MetaZoo binders, and I have stocked Show-Dex binders in the past, they come in a polythene bag. So as a gift, someone would have to specifically say to me, what do you want as a gift? And if I said a binder, everybody sort of know there's no surprise elements, there's no premium feel to it. Now this thing turned up, you can see it's a mammoth box. It's obviously premium leather TCG, and it turned up nicely cellophane wrapped. Now ahead of time, I did speak to the guys at Show-Dex, so I wanted to understand what they say or what they feel makes them different. And one thing that stood out to me is they're very community orientated, so they are collectors. And if you look at their Instagram channel, which I'll link in the description below, you'll see they're constantly doing pack openings. The last time they did when Brilliant Stars come out, they actually give away Brilliant Stars to the community, which was great with the Show-Dex binders. And he said he's going to do the same with the Astral Radiant stuff. We've obviously got some pre-orders on Astral Radiant at the moment, limited amount of stock left. Again, opening it, it's nice, it's really nice. I like the logo. It is what it says it is on the tin. It's understandable. It almost feels like when you get like a nice pair of shoes and you get that nice box. Look at that is actually really, really nice as an experience piece. I like it. Instantly packaging, 10 out of 10. Other companies who take pride in their packaging, I like that. I try to do the same myself. It's not always possible. You try and get a pokeball into anything and you're struggling. But as you can see there, obviously a very nice box and a nice premium feel. So exactly what it says on the tin. The binder itself, okay, it's got the flat finish to the binder, which is nice. I think I prefer that than the soft, the sort of dotted feel you get with other binders. So really, really nice. Feels very nice. And I do have a couple of different cards to sort of put this to the test. You can see the Show-Dex logo there is nicely, it's not embossed, it's sort of printed on, which I like. So quality wise and premium wise, happy. It's a really nice piece. Again, speaking to the guys down at Show-Dex, they were telling me that all of the packaging is 100% recyclable. So from the tissue to the box, if you didn't want to keep it, every part of that packaging is recyclable. Which I have had emails from community members try to use a little bit of fragile tape and stuff like that. Don't overkill it with the packaging, because we want to do our best for the environment, which I totally understand. Okay, let's get into it and let's have a look and see exactly what it's about. You're not gonna have a 15-minute review on a binder. Obviously these are side loading, very similar to other binders. The quality feels nice. They're not going to easily sort of rip away. Nice edging around there. And we've got some cards that we've got in. So obviously we do more than just Pokemon. So we're going to try, obviously the Yu-Gi-Oh is a smaller card. Let's get the box of cards out and see. What we do is with every order we put some different TCG cards in there to try and spur on the community and say, you know, have a look at some stuff more than just Pokemon. Pokemon card, we've got some Batman cards, we've actually got some Topps cards. Now that will be interesting because those are huge, and we'll stick them in penny sleeves. Let's see what else have we got. Got to stick the Star Wars in there. Now this will be interesting, and obviously some MetaZoo. Let's go with that as our test run. Now, back in the day, the Ultra Pro collection binder thing with all the plastic wallets, the Star Wars cards that I have, you know, they were sort of pack fresh, and they've been stored in these Ultra Pro classic collection binders for some time, and they did a good job. I'm talking years of them being in their binders. You know, some of them have been sent to MGC, hitting 9s, hitting 8s, so, you know, really good quality. So we do have that benchmark to go against. I got some sleeves out. Obviously we go with Grade Shield sleeves as well, and let's take a look. Let's just move you up a little bit. Perfect. You can't argue with that fit. That is a perfect fit. We need the coffee for the morning. It is 8 o'clock, 8:02. I've got a busy day ahead of us, so we want to get this, we want to put it out there for the community to see, and want to know in the comments, if for all the new subscribers as well, what do you think? What binder is your preference? Would you be willing to give Show-Dex the opportunity, which I'm always willing to do, especially when collectors create a product? That's what really excites me. You know, obviously there's the mass market of, we're going to do this, we're going to do that, we're going to do colours, and etc, etc, etc. I like personally, because my website obviously evolved from your feedback, and that's why we stock so much stock. I like it when products are created by community members, and community members that I've spoken to over, you know, time as well. So let's just slide the MetaZoo in there. Now, one thing I would like to say with this is, which I do like, when the cards are smaller, I found with other binders, the penny sleeve crumples at the edges. It's so annoying, and as you can see there, let's see if we can just get you back into focus like that. That is an absolute flush fit. So the big test now, let's move over to here, is the Yu-Gi-Oh card, because obviously a smaller card from the new set, Ghosts from the Past, and look at that, it's a perfect fit. No smudging or like creasing around the penny sleeve side. So we've got, you know, pretty big size card, we've got, you know, the Yu-Gi-Oh size card and a MetaZoo card. Just have a quick ramp up here, and we're gonna do, I don't know if these will fit, they're very tight in the sleeves. So these are Topps MetaZoo cards, like a glove. Like a glove. Go. Happy with that. Let's just for the sake of getting it all done, we'll just put another couple in, and let's just see. We'll give it a little tug around and see what goes on. Simpsons, another absolute banger. I really enjoy. Not too loose. You know what? I'm glad the guys did reach out to me, because it is a competitive market, you know, accessories and binders. But as I do say, you know, being part of the community, that makes me want to support them even more. You find people in the community, you know, we haven't got the weight of, you know, corporate finances behind us, so it's little by little. And speaking to Adam, you know, he said to me, they've been selective around the time that they're trying to deliver these products, and they're trying to get a certain level of engagement from certain people in the community who will get it and understand, you know, what they're all about. Look, it's a binder, yeah, it's a binder, but for collectors it's an absolute necessity, you know. Show-Dex, good job. I think good job, great job. I would buy a Show-Dex binder. I think the experience of getting a Show-Dex binder in the box, in the packaging, with the recycled packaging, is probably something that would lead me towards Show-Dex. If anything, I'd probably like to see, as time goes on, maybe an embossed finish on the logo. You know, I am keen on that, but only time will tell, you know, around that logo printing. It doesn't seem flimsy, it's not coming off as I give it a good rub, as you can see there. I like the logo, and I've just seen that the new product that they're going to launch is a binder for top loaders, so that will be really interesting to see, because top loaders in a, you know, pocket in a binder, that's going to pull at the sort of seams. But I think as far as everything else goes, you know, leave your comments below. What binders do you prefer? What binders do you like? Are you happy to support members of the community bringing new products out? I know that's something that always really excites us at the Retro Genie. Would you like to see Show-Dex binders available on our website? If we can try and make that happen, we can affiliate with Show-Dex. I'm 100% behind this. You know, I think it's a great product. I think that, again, community led, it is awesome. The box is so nice. You know, I sometimes I'll have binders which are half full, which is a bit of a waste. But I think with this, I get to put it away. I get to put it away and come back to it, and it's, you know, there you go. And I'll come back to it, and I'll pick another master set, and I'll say, okay, let's go. Is there anything else you'd like to see from Show-Dex? Let me know. The guys will watch the video, the community will respond, and we will go into Instagram later on just to open the Show-Dex binder. Last two things I've got from me is the Northwest Trading Card Show on the 9th of July. We will be there, we will have a stand. I hope everybody comes and says hello. We're going to have the Genie's lamp, we're going to have a raffle going on there, and then after that, the 23rd of July, we're going to be at the London Trading Card Show. Same thing, you know, the Genie does giveaways. We'll have something going on. More importantly, please come over, say hello, introduce yourself. You know, let's get some snaps. And just being part of the community is absolutely awesome. I hope you enjoyed the quick look on Show-Dex's new product, and I can't wait to get your feedback. Peace out, people.